There is this new untouched niche that I found recently, but the only problem that I faced is that creating videos for this niche is very hard. Especially writing the video script is too much complicated. That's why I didn't reveal this niche, but now I have found a way that is easier than you can possibly imagine to make a video for this niche. So in the next several minutes, I'm going to reveal this niche and show you how to create videos for this niche. So if you are searching for new niche ideas to start a YouTube or TikTok page, this is going to be your opportunity. This niche is called ELI5.
What? What does that even mean?
Wait, let me explain it clearly. The real meaning of this niche is to explain like I'm 5 years old. So now, you will think about what type of content we are going to post in this niche, right? You can post about anything, natural events, historical events, and things about animals. But you have to explain this like you are explaining it to a 5-year-old kid. That's why I mentioned earlier that creating videos for this niche is a bit difficult. But don't worry guys, I have found this new AI tool where you can create video for this niche with one single click. First, let me show you a sample video I created for this niche. It will help you to understand more about this niche.
Have you ever looked at a volcano and wondered how it came to be? Well, here's a simple breakdown for you. Imagine the Earth is like a puzzle with lots of pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are like huge chunks of land that float on the hot mantle below. Sometimes these plates crash into each other or pull apart. When they crash, one plate can get pushed beneath the other, deep into the Earth. As this plate goes deeper, it starts to melt because of the intense heat. The melted rock, which we call magma, is lighter than the solid rock around it, so it rises towards the surface. Eventually, the magma finds a way to escape through a crack in the Earth's crust, and that's when we see a volcano forming. Once the magma reaches the surface, it's called lava. Over time, as more lava flows out and cools down, it builds up the volcano that we see. So, next time you see a volcano, remember it's nature's way of showing us the incredible forces at work beneath the Earth's surface.
Okay, now you know what type of videos we are going to make. So, this niche is still not saturated. You can easily build a huge audience on YouTube or TikTok. One of the best things about this niche is that you can post both short and long format content. If you are new to this channel, we have a Telegram community where we share our knowledge about YouTube and TikTok. I will leave the link in the description. You can join. Let's start with creating a name and a description for this channel. I'm going to use ChatGPT. You can use a simple prompt like this. Create 10 name ideas for a YouTube channel about knowledge and explanations. You can use made-up names as well. So we have 10 amazing name ideas. I really like this one, which is Wonderwise. Now let's ask it to generate a description for this channel as well. We have the name and description. I'm going to use Leonardo AI to make a simple logo and a banner for this channel. Let's go to Leonardo AI. I would like to select this specific AI model to create this logo and banner. I'm going to use a simple prompt like this. Don't worry, I will leave this prompt in the description. I think this logo is good. Now, let's change the size of the image to landscape mood and create a banner as well. Again, I will use a prompt like this. Wow, all of these 3 banner images are nice. We can use them for our channel. Guys, don't spend too much time on this process. Just create a simple and easy banner like this. Now let's move on to the most important part, which is creating the videos. For this process, I'm going to use this new AI tool called Autoshorts AI. Let me tell you why this AI tool is really good for this niche. This AI will do everything starting from script writing, image generation, and editing. And they will upload your videos to your channel with titles and descriptions. Basically, you don't have to worry about anything. The crazy thing is that all videos that are generated by this AI tool are unique and new, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. When it comes to monetization, this is a huge issue. You cannot use copyrighted content or reused content. Autoshorts AI will generate unique and new videos every time you create a video. With Autoshorts AI, you can manage several YouTube and TikTok channels without any stress or workload. So, let's see how this AI is going to work. First, you need to sign up for this AI. You can sign up for free. They have 3 plans. The first one is the starter plan, where you can upload 3 videos per week and it's only $19. Then we have the daily plan, which is for $39, where you can upload 1 video per day. Finally, we have the hardcore plan for $69, where you can upload 2 videos per day. You don't have to pay for the whole year like the other tools. You can just try this for a month and see the results. Okay, let's create a video for our niche with this AI. After you sign up, go to Create. Then you will come to this page. Here you can connect your YouTube or TikTok page to this AI. When your video is completed, this AI will upload the video to your connected YouTube channel. If you don't want to do that, you can just simply select the email option. They will email the final output to you. I'm going to select the email option because I would prefer to upload the video by myself. Okay, with this drop-down menu, you can select your niche. As you can see here, they have included all the trending niches in this. Scary stories, motivation, random stories, funny stories, philosophy, and much more. You can even enter your custom niche and they will create a video for it. For this, we need to select the ELI5 niche from this list. The next step is to select a good AI voice for our video. Now you need to check these voices and select a matching voice for this video. So, I think this voice would be suitable. I will select it. Remember to select a good voice because voiceover plays a huge part when it comes to going viral on YouTube or TikTok. Then, you can select a preferred language. As you can see here, they have around 20 languages, so if you planning to target an audience from a specific country, you can use this option to change the language of the video. If you want to target all the international audience, use English language. Now we need to select the duration time of this video. If you are planning to upload these videos to both TikTok and YouTube, I would recommend you to select 30 to 60 second duration. That's all, guys. Once you enter all this information, you can create your video. After this process is completed, click the Create a Series button, and it will start to create the video series. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to generate your video. Now, while your video is generating, you can see all the information here, the title of your video, and the full script of your video. Now let's see the final result of this AI. As you can see here, they have even created a thumbnail for this video. Let's play it.
Have you ever felt a sudden hic interrupting your day? Let's dive into why we get hiccups. When you eat too quickly or swallow air while chewing, your diaphragm, the muscle beneath your lungs, can spasm, causing a sudden intake of breath. This breath is stopped by your vocal cords, creating the sound we know as a hiccup. Hiccups can also be triggered by excitement, stress, or even some medical conditions. Most episodes go away on their own, but holding your breath or sipping water can help. So, next time a hiccup surprises you, remember, it's just a little diaphragm dance.
If you saw my previous videos, I think you have a clear idea about how hard it is to create AI images to match a video script. But this AI tool has nailed it. All the images I saw in that video are perfectly matched to the script. And the captions have been generated with a cool style and cool sliding animations. It's perfect as well. Most importantly, they have used zoom in and zoom out transitions for those images, and transitions between the images are perfect as well. Finally, they have added background sound effects to match the transitions. This has improved the quality of the video. Let's say you don't like the story or the script of this video. If you click this small button, you can create a completely new script for this video. So if you use this AI, you can speed up your video uploading process. Especially if you are someone who does not have much time to edit videos, this is a good tool for you. So, this video has come to an end. So start this niche as soon as you can. I will add another example at the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next video.
Have you ever gazed up at the sky after a rain shower and marveled at the vibrant colors of a rainbow? The enchanting arc of colors in the sky is nature's way of dazzling us with its beauty. But how exactly do rainbows form? It's like a magical show put on by sunlight and raindrops. When sunlight, which looks white to our eyes, passes through raindrops, it bends or refracts. Inside the raindrop, the sunlight reflects off the back of the drop, separating into its full spectrum of colors. This reflection and refraction create the stunning display of colors we see. Each color in the rainbow corresponds to a different wavelength of light. Red has the longest wavelength, and violet the shortest. As the sunlight is bent and reflected inside the raindrop, the colors spread out, forming the distinct arc shape we recognize. The next time you catch sight of a rainbow, remember that it's a beautiful illustration of light interacting with water droplets in the atmosphere. Nature's artwork is on display, reminding us of the fascinating science behind this mesmerizing phenomenon.